India's Prime Minister Modi is traveling to the United States. His 5-day visit presents an opportunity for a fresh start. It follows last year's arrest and strip search of an Indian diplomat in New York City on visa fraud charges. CCTV's Ritu Dixit has more on the Prime Minister's trip.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarks on a landmark, action-packed trip to the United States on September 26th. A busy trip that includes 50 engagements over his 100 hours of stay, with a clear objective to provide impetus to Indo-US bilateral relations and woo the American business community. And that aspiration was clear as he launched an ambitious campaign on the eve of his departure. Called Make in India, the project aims at establishing the country as a manufacturing hub by making it easier for companies to do business. It also aims to cut red tape.
He wants to India make a manufacturing hub in that region. So that way, he wants to bring jobs to the country and, uplift the economy, to back to like, 8% of the GDP.
He will also be addressing the United Nations General Assembly. However, the highlight of the trip is likely to be his address to the huge Indian-American community at Madison Square Garden in Manhattan. Top bankers from Wall Street and business executives from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Pepsi, MasterCard and Microsoft, to name a few, are expected to be in attendance.
It is a historic event. No other Prime Minister has ever addressed so many people here in the United States or anywhere outside India.
The Indian diaspora community in the U.S. is a very powerful group, a very rich group, and a lot of them are entrepreneurs and technology entrepreneurs. So the expertise and the capital and the enthusiasm reside in the community. It can really be capitalized.
After visiting New York, Modi will see President Barack Obama in Washington, D.C. The meeting is expected to foster improved cooperation between the two countries on a wide variety of issues ranging from health, immigration and education to technology and defense. After over a decade of criticism by the U.S. for his alleged failure to control communal riots in his hometown of Gujarat in 2002, Modi is now hoping to put the past behind him and recharge relations with the U.S. His visit, which is viewed as both symbolic and substantive, will add momentum and energy to India and U.S. strategic partnership. In Washington, D.C., Ritu Dixit for CCTV.